Hey guys, do my skincare with me. So it's currently 6:46. Now it just turned 6:47. So I want to do a skincare grim for you guys. So I don't know if I already said this, but this is my skincare grim. So I'm gonna first sanitize my hands. Okay, so let's actually get started now. So first, I'm gonna use this advanced snail peptide eye cream. And I bet you guys are all gonna come at me like, aren't you like 5? Why are you using an eye cream? So like, I'm not 5, I'm 11, and yes, I wonder the same thing. Why am I using an eye cream? Hi guys, sorry, I was sitting like this the entire time, so my bad. Anyways, so I use this eye cream because, I want to. So anyways, let's get into it. So I should do like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I heard that like your your ring finger, like is the most, like, I don't know, it's like good to blend it out with your index finger. I don't know why. Someone just told me that. Oh, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, well, also, don't mind my nails. They're really long because that's how nails grow. Anyways, next step. Next, I use this prescription that was from the doctor. It's this, like, gel thing, I don't know. So, like, yeah. Low-key, it kind of works. Like, I've seen changes, but, like, yeah. They told me to do, like, a pea size. Like, a really little size. But, low-key, what is that gonna do? Anyways, yeah. Low-key, I've seen more changes when I, like, use less. I don't know the science behind that, but whatever. Just use this. But I can't get any. Oh my god. Also, by the way, it's winter break. Oh my god. I was literally, like, watching, I don't know, it's called Sidelined, Me and the Quarterback. You guys need to watch it. It's, like, the best movie I've watched so far. I don't know, I don't know if you guys know this, I'm like, nice catch, cheer, not my name, quarterback. That's where that's where it came from, that movie. And the movie is actually so good. Like, that's my favorite movie so far. And, like, if someone can give me a better movie than that, oh my gosh, you're talented. Okay, so, like, next I'm gonna use this rice cream. Okay, so basically, a couple days ago, I was watching... Okay, I always forget if it's it's The Blue Lagoon. That's the movie I was watching. Wow, that was, like, a really good movie. And that was, like, my favorite, like, a couple days ago. And, like, okay, so, I'm not gonna lie, I was watching... What's it called? Oh my god, what is it called? Tell Me Softly? Yeah, Tell Me Softly. Oh my god, like, just before I watched Sidelines, and I'm not even kidding, Tell Me Softly was my favorite song. Just that, in the afternoon, that was my favorite, and then I watched another movie, which was The Sidelines, and oh my god, the best movie ever. If you guys haven't watched it, please watch it. I promise you guys are gonna regret not watching it. Okay, maybe I'm, like, glazing it too much, but, like, that's my favorite movie. Like, maybe it's not your favorite, but, like, that is my favorite movie. Please give me movie ideas. I really love watching movies, especially if they catch my eye, or, like, they, like, make me say, because, like, I like a lot of movies, and I low-key, like, every time I watch a new movie that I like, I say it's my favorite. But, like, right now, Sidelined is really high. Like, I really like that movie. Oh my god, the quarterback is so fine. Oh my god. What's his name? I forgot. But he's so... Oh my god. Anyways. Oh my god, and then the girl... Wait, what's her name? Wait, okay, guys. Don't judge me for forgetting their names, okay? We were like, oh my god, Abby. No, Abby was the girl, the quarterback's sister that died. I'm sorry for spoiling it, but like, whatever. Oh wait, I'm actually really sorry for spoiling it. I don't know. Anyways, bro, what's her name? Oh my god, I forgot her name. Okay, guys. Anyways, the Blue Lagoon was like really good too. Like, yeah, I like a lot of movies, but like I low-key watch like romance movies, so like people probably won't. If you're not into romance, you're probably not gonna like any of the movies I just said. I don't know, they're just so interesting. Oh, in the Sidelines was that enemies to lover. What's it called? Maybe, and I love enemies to lovers. They're like, oh my god, I don't know what's wrong with me, but like they're so interesting, bro. Oh my god. Oh wait, I was gonna say Gabby. But that's not her name. Wait, is it? I don't know. Anyways, so good. Oh my god, bro, this was supposed to be a short Grim. Like, I was supposed to post this on my shorts. But it's 6 minutes now. Okay, I need to stop talking. Okay, guys, I really need to stop talking. This was supposed to be a video for my shorts, but, like, look how long it is now. Whatever. Oh my god, my ears are, like, ringing. I don't know what's wrong. I'm so sad. I'm switching semesters. And like, so like after winter breaks ends, a week, or maybe, yeah, a week and then a half, and then I have to go to art. And I swear Spanish is like that was like the go-to class, I swear. I don't want to go to art. I'm gonna miss my teacher so much. And like, we were allowed to like go into her room and like sometimes use her phone. Like, I would use my phone and sometimes she would tell me to put it away. So like I would put it away because I'm not weird like that. I'm so sad. And then I have this eyelash serum that I'm gonna use. Because how has it been 8 minutes? Okay, by the way, these eyelash serums, don't go like a mascara. I used to make that mistake all the time, and it literally damaged my eyelashes so much. Don't do that. Don't go like that. Just don't do it. It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be on your waterline, or I don't even know what this is called. Anyways, bro, it's 7 o'clock. Bro, how did it take me like 15 minutes? Anyways. Oh. I low-key have to go because, like, it's about to be 10 minutes and I can't go over 10 minutes. Oh, please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, please. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm losing subscribers. And, like, when I lose subscribers, I don't know why. I just, like, feel so stressed. I don't know why, though. Anyways, bye, guys. I hope you guys like this skincare Grim. Or I don't even know if it's a Grim anymore. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing night. I don't know how it's going to be amazing. But also have an amazing winter without any of your annoying teachers. Because I know how that feels. So, yeah. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Oh my. It's the nighttime. Anyways, bye.